Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on gold versus the dollar, I still think it's very, very clear this is a wave 1, a wave 2, and we're most likely in that wave 3. I still think this wave 3 needs to go at least to the 161.8 Fibonacci extension of wave 1, so most likely it's going to go up, finish off a wave 3, and then make a wave 4, and eventually make a wave 5. So heading down to the weekly time frame, I think it's extremely clear this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and this is all subdivisions of a wave 3. Most likely this is like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, probably a 3 of 3, a 4 of 3, and we're probably now in that wave 5 of 3, which should continue to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. We should see like a 5-way pattern to the upside for the wave 5 of 3, probably leading us all the way up to the 161.8 Fibonacci extension. So heading down to the daily time frame, I think that way over here is the end of a wave 3, and this is like an ABCDE, most likely for a wave 4, and I think there's a very good likelihood that this will continue the uptrend. We're probably already in that wave 5, maybe we already have a 1 of 5 and a 2 of 5, but I do think that we're already in that wave 5 of wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, we got a pretty good little pullback started. This move down is definitely impulsive, which makes me think this is probably a wave A. Probably we're already in that wave B, which most likely is a correction to the wave A. I would expect maybe the 61 and the 50% fib retracement for that. Then we'll probably get another push down for the wave C. And if this is a wave 1 and this is a wave 2, what would come next is a big wave 3. So we definitely want to try to identify the end of this wave 2 to get in for that big wave 3. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, most likely this big push down right here is a trend. It's definitely lower lows, lower highs, so it is definitely a trend. Most likely a wave A. This move up right here, I think, is more than likely part of a correction to that wave A, like a wave B. Most likely the 61 to the 50% is the most likely place I think that would end up going. Then if we get a nice impulsive engulfing move down at one of these fib levels, then that would be the end of a wave B and probably the beginning of a downtrend for wave C. Now we have to remember the trend is up on all the higher time frames. We would expect to see a nice ABC like this before it actually continued up for the wave 3, and this would be like a 1, a 2, and a 3 of wave 5. Sometimes what we think is a wave B will just keep on trending up, so definitely keep in mind that we're in an uptrend on all the higher time frames, and it really could just end up continuing the uptrend at any point. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.